Hi guys, it's Mr. Tech O Tutorials. Now I am going to show you the new Sony EX monitor headphones. The model I think so new like MDR-EX10LP. I'm going to unbox it and I will show you its reviews. I bought it for rupees 950 in Indian rupees and I bought it yesterday. So let's check the unboxing and review. Oh, here the we got a Sony thing out here. We got the 1.3mm jack out of here. We got some extra earbuds and here some extra earbuds, and the build quality is not so impressive because the wire is too thin. That would cause in the breakage of the wire. So it's a nice headphone with great bass and tribe. Awesome headphone. You could buy this. It's very budgetful headphone and very good headphone. No doubts, no complaints. Very good headphone. So thanks. You can check my other videos. Subscribe, comment. Thank you.